Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for joining us here at Celebrate Sausage. Today, we're going to be making what is quite possibly the most hardcore sausage on this entire series. We're going to be making German Metwurst. Stick around. We are very excited to invite a German YouTuber by the name of littleGasthaus to join Celebrate Sausage this year.
There's a lot of varieties. You can get it in jars as sausage. Okay, let's make some Metwurst.
Very smoky, a little bit salty. Perfect. Metwurst, the German fast food. Thanks for watching. See you back next time. The littleGasthaus, the German sausage maker.
What a cool sausage.